This is Windows 8.1 and today I shall show you how to install Microsoft Photo Story on this operating system. Microsoft Photo Story is a photo presentation program which is exclusively designed for Windows XP. It lets you create audio-visual presentation of your photos and images. You can quickly rotate, crop and edit your pictures. You can personalize them with captions and titles. You can add sound effects, narration, as well as background music. Now, if you go through the system requirements, you will find that Microsoft Photo Story can only be installed on Windows XP platform. Here you can see all these Windows XP families: Windows XP Home Edition, Windows XP Media Center Edition, Windows XP Professional Edition. Now, to download Microsoft Photo Story, you need to go through the validation process. I am clicking this Continue tab. Now, if I click this Continue button, it will download the validation tool, which will generate a code, and you have to copy that code and paste it here, and then you have to click this Validate button. This will scan your system and it will tell you whether your operating system is genuine or not. If the operating system is genuine, then you will get the download option. Here it is, genuine check. I am executing it and you can clearly see a code has been generated. I am copying it and I am pasting it here. Now if I click on this Validate button, it will take me to download option. Now if I click download, then the installer will be downloaded. It can be saved on your hard disk. Here it is. I am right clicking on it, and if I go to the property, I will find that it's a 5.02 MB file. Now I am again right clicking on it and clicking troubleshoot compatibility, because Windows 8.1 is not designed for Microsoft Photo Story 3. So test compatibility settings for the program, settings applied. Now if I click test the program, clicking next, accepting the license agreement. This is the default location where Microsoft Photo Story 3 will be installed, and if we wish, we can change the location also. Troubleshooting has completed. It is now generating report. The detailed information is saying that the Photo Story 3 is incompatible program for Windows 8.1, but it has fixed the compatibility. Here you can see the green check marks are there. Clicking next and closing it. Here you see that it has been properly installed. I am clicking on it. Now we will get three options: begin a new story, edit a project, play a story. Let's begin with the first one, that is begin a new story. Here is an option to import pictures. I am importing pictures. Five pictures have been added. You will find all these 5 pictures have black borders on the top as well as on the bottom. I am removing the black borders. The black borders have been removed. I can remove black borders from all the pictures which I have added. Now here are more options. I can correct color levels. I can correct red eyes. I can rotate the pictures counterclockwise or clockwise. I can also crop the pictures. Now here is an option to give a title to the story. Here it is, our school football match. Now here we can also assign some effects, whether it is black and white or chalk and charcoal, colored pencil, negative, etc. Clicking next. Now I can customize the motion also, whether to set the duration automatically, or we can also change the number of seconds to display the pictures manually. I can also go through the preview. Clicking next. Now we can also add background musics. I can select music and I can add this music which have already been there in my system. Or I can create music. So here it is. If I create music, I can see the genre, classical or country or dance, funk, jazz, Latin, new age. For example, Latin, I am selecting Latin, electric piano, adventurous. I can also change the slowness or fastness of the tuning. I can change the intensity. Now if I click play, I am now clicking next. So there are other options you can do with your story. You can save the story for playback on your computer, or you can send the story as an email to your friends or to your relatives. And there are other options also. Here you can see all these. Now I am clicking next. It is now building your story. Now I can view the story. So create your own story with Microsoft Photo Story 3 and enjoy it on your Microsoft Windows 8.1 operating system.